Okay, so I wanted to make a video showing so far what I think to be the easiest process for using 3ds Max with Readyplayerme and modifying the character and everything, getting it ready to animate. So the first thing you're going to do, of course, is create your character in Readyplayerme. So here's a character I've created. It looks okay, but it needs some work, but I'm going to download it. So I'm going to download my avatar as a GLB file. If you have more than one avatar and you're in the hub, they'll be over here in your My Avatars. And each of the unique linked games and experiences has their own avatars. So you can see over here, Readyplayerme, and these are the Readyplayerme avatars I've created for different projects and different things I've done. So we'll find the one that you like, and then you're going to download it as a GLB file. Okay, again, you can download any of these. So if I want to get like, you know, I don't know, this archer guy, again, I can click on it, download avatar GLB. All right, we'll just do it real quick so you can see how easy it is. All right, so it's going to download it as a GLB file, and then we're good to go. Now, the next thing we're going to need to do is convert it. Actually, I closed that, but we're here. There is a link here. I found this Avaturn GLB into FBX website. It looks fantastic. It works really well. I tried a lot of tools. This one works completely easy and exactly how you would expect it to. All I have to do is drag my GLB file over to here and drop it. Choose Unreal. Again, for this we're going to be using Unreal, but if you want to drop it into Unity later, you can do Unity. We're doing Unreal because we're going to be bringing this into 3ds Max, and both Unreal and 3ds Max have a Z-up axis. So if you want for the most compatible and easy way, there it is. When you download this, it's going to download a little zipped file. Okay, so what we're going to need to do is unzip that file. So I'm going to need to come over here and right click and extract it. All right, extract all, extract, and it'll create a new folder with all the stuff in it. You can also open up the folder and then just drag the stuff out to another file folder or something. But what you'll see you'll end up with is the model.fbx, which is the character, and then a folder with all of the texture files in it. So if we look here, this character has everything packaged together. If you download it straight from Readyplayerme, it may be a whole bunch more stuff. So whatever this one was, it put it all together, which is actually even nicer, if I'm honest. So maybe if you make it for another platform and then download it, it's even easier. All right, but we're going to do the same thing with our ninja guy here. I did up here. Oh, where is it? Home. Download, download. There it is. 2. Again, I'm going to come over here. Oh, here. So let me just refresh. Grab that guy again. GLB2. You can see there he is. Ninja. Open. Unreal. Convert. Takes a minute. Now this one again was done straight through Readyplayerme, and it actually has like the eyes and the hair and the clothes all broken up into different pieces. So I wanted to do this as well, so you can see depending on which one you make. You know, again, you'll have both. Quiet their phone. All right. So if we copy these, and again, I'm gonna go to my downloads, that folder I just made. And now I'm going to do a new folder so I don't mix them up for my ninja guy. And I'll paste them in there. That's weird. Okay, looks like it only got part of it. So maybe I'll open that file again. And we'll just drag both of these over to my ninja folder. And replace the files. All right. So I want to have both of them, okay? Once their FBX files converted, then all you got to do is import it into Max. Now, I will say there's going to be one weird step, hiccup you're going to have to do when you get to Max. And what that is you're going to have to delete the skeleton. So the conversion makes the skeleton funky. So let's do the ninja because it's the most complex, and hit open. You're going to see what I mean by funky in a second here. You know what? I wonder if we can uncheck animation just because I don't want it. Hit OK. get out of here. Hit close. And you can see, here we go. Here's my character. It looks like unchecking animation actually brought it in much better. When I did it earlier, the skeleton was even crazier. So in this instance, the armature doesn't look too bad, but we probably are going to need to take this into like Mixamo and rig it again, because we would want the skeleton to be done with biped. So for that, again, you can see here's all of the geometry. Here's the armature. So if I right click on armature and do select child nodes, it'll grab everything, and then I'm just going to hit delete on the keyboard. Now I'm left with just my character model. There it is. It's textured and ready to go, and everything inside of here. And what's cool is I can still modify those textures and elements. So if I wanted to, let's say change this and this and this all the same color. Again, I can use the little eyedropper, grab the hood, come over here, eyedropper, grab the mask, grab this one, grab the eyedropper, grab the torso. The torso is probably different than the lower body, so I'm going to need to grab it as well. And it looks like it might even be separate from the feet. So we'll grab all of them. And there they are. Now I could simply come in here, hit the little M, and there it is. There's our base headwear, base color JPEG right there that I could open up in Photoshop or something and change it and what have you. When I'm all done modifying this thing, I can export it, upload it to Mixamo for rigging. Alright, so you can see here in Photoshop, if all I do is just save these new files over the old files. Again, I've changed the color of them. Save. Save. Oh, look, I forgot to do the top. But you can see there it is. Okay, here we go. So you can see there it is. Here's my character. I played around with his textures a little bit. We made them kind of custom. And now we're ready to export this out. So I'm going to export. We're going to save this out as an FBX. And hit save. Okay, and then make sure, click embed materials, looks good, embed media, and include geometry. We can do this, I'll do smoothing groups as well, and hit OK. And then we'll just need to upload this to Mixamo. Okay, let's go ahead and hit upload character, select character file. I'm on my desktop. Guy, Ninja, open. Okay. Once it gets in here, then we're just going to need to put the little dots on it. Oh. Okay, hold on. All right, we're going to troubleshoot here. I'm going to keep embed media for right now, and I'm going to do original materials. Let's see if that works. Not like it, so we'll do upload character. All right, grab that one, hit open. Fingers crossed. Oh man. Okay, well let's see what we got here. All right, not a problem. You know what? One thing I like about having issues. You know what? I don't know if I had it selected. Let me grab all of it selected now and export selected. Maybe I just wasn't getting all of it. We'll say back over Ninja, the first one. We'll hit yes and hit OK. Let's try this. And if this doesn't work, what we'll do is we will just go back and we'll save it as an OBJ file. You know, again, it's fine because we're going to re-rig the thing anyway. So let's go ahead and see if that'll work. If not, then we'll OBJ file it and it for sure work. We'll just have to zip it in a folder with the textures to make sure. Okay. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a little bit of troubleshooting. I said this is going to be the easiest process. I guess I should practice a little bit more before I record it. But we downloaded this thing in the downloads. We put it in this folder, which inside of here is this folder. I'm going to put it in the same spot. We're going to go ahead and, again, I'm going to save this out as an OBJ file. And now we'll put it in there, and as long as we zip them together, we should be good to go. Hit save. I don't think I need a preset. Yeah. Let's do export. Skip. Okay, done. All right, now let's try this. I'm going to, here's my Ninja file there. Let me go ahead and get rid of my that original FBX converted one. Let's just go ahead and just, I don't know, put that in another folder or something. Throw that over there. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and grab all these, and I'm going to add them to a compressed zip folder. Ninja zip. Let's try that one now. Let's see if Mixamo is going to give us trouble. Try again. Ninja zip. Open. Okay. All right. Well, you know, the truth is, doing some of this stuff might take some troubleshooting. Looks like it didn't find the textures, but that's okay. What we could do is inside of Max, we can make sure, maybe we'll put this in the same folder or subfolder and see if that helps. So I got it to upload, but I really want it to all be together. Make sure, might not have to do export selected if we have all of it. We'll just do export. Let's see what we got here. I'm gonna put it in the same folder as the rest of the textures. So okay, save and hit export. Looking for those textures, but I just want to skip. Again, we can always fix the textures in Max. So, you know, if it's still going to be complainer sin, we'll just fix them after the fact. So I'm just going to make sure, again, he should be in here, Ninja Guy, perfect. And we'll just go ahead and, where's that? And archive, zip, okay, I have 7-zip, but I guess it doesn't matter, as long as it's a zip file. And let's grab our guy. Let's see. So, getting over the Max certainly worked. Okay, so I think it's just, we'll have to fix, let's fix those textures later, it's fine. Here we're just going to do the Mixamo rigging thing. And again, we can do, I don't know, we'll do simple fingers and do next. All right, so we had some trouble uploading our textures. One way we could fix that is inside here. Let me go ahead and save this guy. And we'll do new all, and I'll do import and import that object file. We'll do it the one inside the folder here. So it looked like Max had no problem finding the textures. So the good news is, chances are when we download this file rigged and fully to go, it should work out just fine. So let's hit next, next. There they are. I'm gonna go ahead and look up T-pose. So we have our characters T-pose, and I'm going to click download. All right, looks good, download. Now, over here in 3ds Max, let me go ahead and do new all. Again, I don't want this guy, don't save. And we're gonna do a file import. We should have our brand new downloads folder, T-pose FBX, open. Okay. And there we go. Notice the textures and everything look fine because we've fixed them. We have them all ready to go. There he is. There's our Ninja fully rigged using the Mixamo skeleton. Looks great. If we wanted to, there is a download for our scripts. So let me go back to my downloads folder. Up, up, up. Okay, so in here, I just downloaded the scripts folder. Again, we need to probably extract it, honestly. So let's go ahead and extract all. Extract. Now, I like to copy my scripts into the 3ds Max scripts folder, but let's just go ahead and pull it over and give it a go. So here we go. I've got like these auto biped script. Let's just grab it, drop it in there, and see if it works. Okay. Not that one. Oh, but autobiped.ms. Let's run the thing. Looks good. And create biped. So not the metadata, but the actual .ms file. This might take a moment. Now, I know it seems complex. It really does. It's taken like 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes. I did some troubleshooting, so it would have been a shorter deal if not. But we've done a lot of complex stuff here. We created a character in a character creator. We exported it out. We brought it in. We ran it through a converter. We brought it into 3ds Max. We modified the character in 3ds Max, and I could have modified it further, added a sword, modified his head, pulled the head off a different character, and modeled them together. Lots of cool stuff. Once he's done there, we exported out of Max. It looked like Max did not like my FBX file. I don't know why, but saving out as an OBJ file worked out just fine. And then uploaded that file, rigged it again inside of Mixamo, and then downloaded it. And this will work for animations too. If I went back to here and found, you know, a running animation I liked. Where's the, I don't know, running backwards and turning. Here we go, running. Kind of running in an arc there, but whatever. Let's say I found a good running animation I liked. Like here we go. I could download it and bring it in and convert it just kind of the way I just did. So all of that we end up with kind of back where we first started. Here we are. Oh, it's still going. Looks like I just finished. And here I am with my finished rigged character, ready to animate, make my own stuff, ready to go, all done inside of Max.